Hello there, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Priscilla Injendi and this is Blessed Dance by Sila. So welcome back. I'm really glad that you stopped by. So as you saw from the title, we are reviewing a thermal heating cup or a heating cup or a deep conditioning cup. And this is the thing that we are reviewing today, as you saw from the title. So I acquired this stuff from Jumia. It was going for 1,031 Kenyan shillings, and so far I think I love it. So I'll just explore the features with you. On the inner part, it has a nylon or a polythene bag, which is good because it helps to create even more heat. And also this one is good because you can just wipe it clean after you are done. And to make that easier, it has a zip here, meaning you can disconnect this part from this part so that you can clean this after using if it gets dirt. So I'll just show you how we disconnect it. So yeah, can disconnect. So this is the nylon, which you can just disconnect and wash it after use. Then this now is the heating cup. Inside here you can see some coils which actually generate heat on your scalp. That one. Then this is the one that helps you to set the heat cup right on your head to make it a bit tighter. So you'll just close it in to make it tighter and enough for your head when you're ready. Then above it is a cloth, which of course helps to make it easy for you to handle the cup, the heat cup, once it's connected to heat, so that you can touch it and do all that without any problem. Then this now is the cable that is connected to heat. This is the plug, and this stuff unfortunately is not that long. It's not that long, so you'll have to be close to the socket for you to be able to use this thermal cup. Then this is the heat regulating knob. So once you connect the heat cup to electricity, to the socket, then you can use this. There is a middle heat, then there is a maximum heat. Then after using this heat cup for some time, I've realized that this heating cup, it does not generate excess heat. You don't feel like your head is being burned, but you just feel comfortable and you can be free to do anything, a lot of things, without even remembering that you are in a heat cup. So I'll just attach a video of me using the heat cup. So I'll just wash my hair, like shampoo my hair, then I apply the deep conditioner, then now I'll use the heat cup. So you'll just see me using it. So in my opinion, this heating cup is very economical, because 1,031 bob is economical. I mean, where will you get? Even the ones that are used in salons are very, very expensive, and this one is I don't know which term should I use, is portable, because you can always carry it wherever you want. Like I see most people, you're going to, maybe you're gone for a vacation, then you go to a swimming pool, and now you don't know what to do with your hair. You're forced to go to a salon, and maybe you're used to doing your hair on your own. So with this one, you can just deep condition your hair on your own in your room, and you can also have a portable blow dryer and just do everything you want to do in your room with this heating cup. Yeah, so it's very economical, and it does a very, very good job because it doesn't overheat. It just heats enough, in my opinion, and that is really, really good. So I'll recommend this heat cup again and again and again, because it's just what you want. Yeah, for real. So yeah. you for watching my video. Thank you for staying with me till the end. Till next time, see you in my next video. Bye.